So here we are at Big Lots. I'm here shopping and I thought I'd take you with me, guys. Let's go see. They're just starting to put the fall stuff out, so there's not that very much in each aisle, but let me show you what they do have. Okay. Wow. Okay, so this is $4. I'm just loving it. This one's sweater weather. These are $4, guys. Gorgeous. Okay. I love fall most of all. Look how nice that is. Okay, this one here is $6. And then this one here says A Season of Thanks. So they have it in that green with the floral background, and then over here is the white with the green background, with the green leaves, I mean. So that's really nice. Then they have Gather Here with Grateful Hearts, and this is $6. That's what that looks like. Then here is Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. That's nice. Okay, so this is $6. And then these over here say Give Thanks. And these are probably $6, yeah. And this one is Harvest Love. So look how nice the sayings are all different. So this one is Gather Here with Grateful Hearts. That belongs here. And then this I never saw. So this is a pig. Right, that's a pig with the with the brass wings. Okay, let me see what that. Oh, okay, these are $10. So they have these guys. They're starting to line them up. Okay, so this is him from the side with the wings, the brass wings. Okay, so then over here the signs get a little bit bigger, and this one says Wishful Harvest with the wishbone. Isn't that sweet? Okay, so that's $6. And this one says Count Your Blessings, and Thankful, Grateful, and Stuffed. I like that. That's so sweet. Okay, so this says Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. Is that not sweet? This, guys, is $6. And then this one says Gather Together. That is also $6. And I'm pretty sure they say the same thing. So now look at these candles, guys. Look at this. Okay, so this one says Snuggly Sweater Scented Candle with that pumpkin on top. And I'm loving that color blue. And they're $6. So the candles come in these colors, guys. So let me see the scents. So that's what that one says. Let's see what this one says. I hope I don't drop this, guys. Okay, Woodland Pumpkin. That's the scent of that one. And this one says Apple Cider. And then this one says Pumpkin Spice. And like I said, all of these are $6. Then they have this kind right here. These jars are absolutely beautiful. So these are $6 also. And Grateful, this says Woodland Pumpkin, Grateful Hearts. So that's what that says. And then they have this sign over here. That is so beautiful. So this block here is $10. So this says Blessed. Let me see what different. This one says Thankful. Blessed, Thankful. I just want to see if there's other messages. So Blessed and Thankful is all I see. Here. Look how beautiful that sign is. That is a gorgeous sign. So that sign, guys, is $18. So like I said, there's not very much I can show you. So we'll just kind of walk around the store. So this wreath hanger with that leaf is $8. Then here they're starting to put out the florals. So those are really nice. Let me see if I can show you. I think they're $5 a bouquet, a bunch. Okay, I can't wait for them to put out the rest. I'm loving these buckets at $25. So the smaller one is $25, and then this bigger one is $30. So let me back up so you can see the size. Okay, that's the size difference. And then they have this little one mixed in here. So, okay, so this is like a metal planter. This is $18. I'm liking how that looks. Okay, this is 50% off all of the growing. the grow kits. So the succulent grow kit is $6. And that's what those look like. Over here, this one over here is cactus. Sorry guys for the noise between the music and there's people talking in the background. So this is cactus, $6. This is succulent. This is cactus. And I'm liking that. So here's a terrarium cactus mix. Okay, $15. And then you have the all-purpose plant food. That's $9. And you have this ortho ground clear weeds and grass weed and grass killer, $16. Okay, so then they have my favorite pots over here. I'm absolutely loving these. Well, pots, or what are they calling the metal wire planter, $20. And they have plenty of those. See those? They have a whole bunch of those guys that didn't sell. And over here's some fairy garden stuff. So we have some leftover moss, and it's 25% off clearance, all of the fairy garden decor. So this stuff is on sale. Okay, so you have the gnomes and then the pathways. They're there $6 to $9, and those, like I said, are 25% off. Then over here, you even have the Nautical coastal decor for 25% off. So here the plant stands and the metal planters also 25% off. So this one here, this is $10. Now the Nautical decor signs, they range from $6. So let's see how much this one is. So that one is $9. And they had this one, every day should be a beach day. Oh, look at this one. Mermaid at Heart, $12. And they had this one. Remember that big welcome sign? I think that one was $25. Let me see. $26. So that's 25% off of that one. So this one here is $14. They're so beautiful, guys. And look at this. So I guess they still have the landscaping shells. That's $12 for the shark. I don't think I've seen him before. And then those landscaping shells are $14. So then they have this. These is the summer decor. So these started out at $14. This is 25% off. And then look at this. You Are My Sunshine with the bees and the flowers. Those are $15. Here's some more of those, and here these are $4. So then you have the welcome home. I'm loving that galvanized metal bicycle. Let me see how much that is. That's $15. Then this here, isn't that beautiful? $20. Then this butterfly spinner is $7. And then here's some more butterflies back here for $4. So then you have some more of these florals. Let me see how much this bunch is. So this bunch of hydrangea is $7. I'm liking the white ones. So 25% off. Some gel clings. And then this says Happy Camper. And the camper is $14. Then they had some of these right here. Aren't these are so cute. Oh, this have magnets in the back. Okay, so these are $5. And then here, so these are really nice. These are so pretty, guys. So the lights are on sale also on clearance for $25, 25% off. So that's what they have here. So then they had the lanterns over here, and these lanterns are on sale. They were $30. So all of the summer decor, guys, is 25% off. So they have these. Let me see. I don't see a price on that one, but these right here are $15. Okay. Then these. Oh, look at this table. I like this. This, guys, is $59. Then they have these windmills along the bottom. So I'm just kind of walking through whatever's left. And here, those gazing balls. Those are also 25% off. And that's what's left there. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Big Lots as they're switching out their summer decor for the fall decor. And I'll see you guys in the next video.